This video will be about troubleshooting the active NSX controller connections. So my last video we saw that we already did some commands. I will show you some of the same commands though. I will on some others as well. You can first of all check the status of the controller. So show control cluster status, which is a very handy command where you can, verify a few things. Let me do the same on the other controllers as well. And here you can see what I just showed you in my last movie as well. What's configured, what's activated, and well, a lot of nice things to see, right? That it's at least connected to the majority and that it can be restarted. So if I restart this one, the other two will take over. Well, as you can see here, the output is kind of the same. The node ID will change every time. You can see here that the node ID is the same as the cluster ID. This time the node ID will change, the cluster ID will stay the same, and here also the same. Node ID will change and the cluster ID will be the same as well. So that's one of the very important commands. The other one that I showed you is the show control cluster connections, where we can verify the active connections. You can also view some of the core statistics. So show controller core statistics. That's not the command. Let me think what the command is. That was the command. And here you can see the amount of messages received that are dropped, that are transmitted, that are dropped. So if something's dropped, you immediately know maybe something's wrong, right? The connections that are up, down, the ones that received the timeout, the ones that are currently active, and well, the ones that are subscribed. So we can run this command as well. And these are commands that you hardly will use if everything is working correctly, but that you really need if something's wrong. And here again, you can see that the first controller is the one that's the busiest. Then these two are less busy because these two just came online. Yeah, the other command that I showed you in my last movie was this one, the network connections of the type TCP, and I can do that command as in the other one as well. The others, it's well, right now there's no problem, so there's nothing to troubleshoot.